Here we have the Studio Trends Sidecar. This is a mount, a rack mount for our rack gear. You can of course use it as a small little table there on top as well. Comes in two different boxes, so let's go ahead and unbox it. We'll put it together and check it out. There, everything is all laid out, all out of the box. This is obviously the maple version. You can also get this in cherry. All of your hardware is included, including most of the tools, but you'll still need a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. They suggest using two people to put this together, but it's honestly not that difficult. I'm not going to go through every single thing because most of it's just cam locks, like a lot of furniture is today, just cams and dowels. Most of the pieces are labeled, is it left, is it right, is it front, is it back? So that's going to make it rather easy to put together. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy together. And there we go. We have the Studio Trends rack all set up, and we have a normal standard kind of just a rack next to it there just for comparison there. Now this rack here, the Studio Trends, is rather heavy. It's going to be around 75 pounds, 70 pounds or so, fully assembled. So it's no slouch. It's not it's not cheaply made. It's a great and nice looking studio rack. As well, it has rollers on the bottom there, wheels on the bottom, and the two front casters will lock. This is a 12 space rack. It says height adjustable, but you can sort of adjust the wheels on the bottom there if you want to higher or lower just by, say, taking off one of those nuts on the wheels there. It says 24-inch wide work surface, but it's actually, the max width is 25.5 inch. The height is 29, max height is 29.5 inch, and the max depth is 26.5. And I'll put in a few of these items here into this rack. Of course, it doesn't come with the rack screws, but I'll have a link in the description below if you need to buy some rack screws. They're relatively cheap. Get all of that together. It looks nice. It looks a little cleaner than just your standard style rack there. That's the Studio Trends rack, again available in this maple, or you can get it in a cherry as well. Again, links for this Sidecar studio rack will be in the description below. Be sure to head over to the BenoniStudio storefront on Amazon as well. Design is great overall with those steel sidebars there and your triangle design. It fits into a very modern style of workspace. And as I mentioned, it feels like it's a pretty good quality. So once again, the Studio Trends 24-inch Sidecar studio rack. Again, check the description below for links.